Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS17B. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users report that their MSI MS17B sounds like a jet engine and shuts down unexpectedly during gameplay. This is often caused by overheating due to dust accumulation in the cooling system or a failing fan. If left unattended, this issue can lead to permanent damage to your device, making timely repairs essential. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface, and using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, locate the cooling fan and heat sink. These are typically near the center of the device. You will notice that the fan is covered in dust, which is likely causing the noise and overheating. Disconnect the fan cable carefully from the motherboard. Now, remove the screw securing the fan in place, and gently lift it out. If you notice that the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU is dry or cracked, it's advisable to clean it off and apply new thermal paste. Use a small amount of thermal paste, spreading it evenly across the surface. Now, replace the fan with a new one if necessary or clean it thoroughly using the compressed air. Before reassembling, double-check that all cables are properly connected and that no screws are left out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is in place, carefully reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws, ensuring everything is tightly fastened. Finally, power on your device and monitor the fan noise to ensure it's operating quietly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your device and ensure proper ventilation while gaming. Avoid placing your laptop on soft surfaces that can obstruct airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.